Hello student, in our today's lesson we are going to see about significant figures. The concept of significant figures may seem to be difficult, but it is so simple after following these four common rules of determining the number of significant figures. Okay, let us come to see these rules. Okay, rules for determining the number of significant figures. Okay, rule number one. Rule number one says any non-zero digits are always significant. Rule number two. Zeros in between other digits are always significant. Now let us explain this idea by using examples. For example, on the first case, we have said that any non-zero digits are always significant. Okay, now we have said that any non-zero digits are significant. Now consider this. So every numbers in this group are non-zero, hence they are significant. So in the number 426 we have three sigfigs or three significant figures. On a similar manner, consider this. 1456 has four significant figures because all the numbers found here are in non-zero digits. Now example for rule number two. Rule number two, as you remember, it says zeros, okay, zeros in between other digits are significant. Now this zero and this zero, they are found in between other non-zero digits, hence they are considered to be significant. Now in the number 101 we have three significant figures. On a similar manner, for the number 7.005 we have four significant figures. Now let us continue with another rule. Okay, leading zeros are not significant. Okay, rule number 3 says leading zeros are not significant. Okay, what does it mean by leading zeros? When we say leading zero, it means zeros which came before. Okay, it is a zero which came before a non-zero digits. Before a non-zero digits, zero which comes before a non-zero digits. Similarly, trailing zeros, the one comes after. They comes after a non-zero digits. They comes after a non-zero digits. So we have said that on rule number 3, leading zeros are not significant. Any leading zero are not significant. Trailing zeros, that means the zero which comes after a decimal, can be considered significant only if they are decimal zeros. Only if they are decimal zero. Now let us try to explain this idea by using examples. Okay, example for leading zeros. Now these are leading zeros. These two are leading zeros. That means the zero which comes before a non-zero digits. Hence they are what? They are not significant. They are not significant. Hence for this number, we have to count only two significant figures. Okay, similarly for this number, this 0 is a leading zero. Hence, it cannot be counted as a significant. So the number 0.01 only has one significant figure. Now let us come to these examples. These three examples will explain that trailing zeros, that means zero which comes after a non-zero digits, are considered to be significant only if they are decimal zeros. Now in the number 1000, these three zeros are not considered to be a significant because there is no decimal places. Hence 1000, it only has one significant figure. Now similarly consider the number 230000. Now these are trailing zeros, zeros which came after a non-zero digits. Now they are considered to be not significant. Hence we have only two significant figures. Now consider this number. Now we already know about this zero. It is a leading zero. Leading zero is not considered to be a significant. But here these 1, 2, 3 zeros are considered to be a significant figure because they are a decimal zero, trailing decimal zeros. For this reason, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 significant figures. Now, dear student, by using these 4 common rules, it is possible to determine exactly the number of significant figures any number has. So enjoy the video and try to solve similar problems by using similar rules. Thank you for your time.